Hey, hello. Welcome back to another Getting Started series. Today we are going, that sounds so professional. We're just going over comments, extremely simple. It shouldn't be because for some reason all the comments in every file is a little bit different. I think it's something that should be universal, but I'm going to show you also another little trick with comments. So I'm going to head over to my repl.it page, and I have set up an HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So for HTML files, comments are gonna look like this on line 10. So essentially it's this arrow, an exclamation mark, and then 2 dashes, and then at the end of the comment, 2 dashes and an arrow. Comments are pretty useful as long as you know how to use them wisely, because remember that comments aren't only for you, but very likely another developer is going to see them. The important thing is that comments are not visible to the user. So if you see here, I have my body tag and then the rest of the HTML file in here. And when I run it, you see all of it except for the comment. So that's also true if I put it like in between the tags, run it, you won't be able to see it. As long as a comment is written syntactically correct, then a user should not be able to see it. In JavaScript, the comments are going to be defined by two, what are these, forward slashes. And you can see that on line 1 right here. So anything coming after that forward slash is going to be a comment. Now, a question may be like, what happens if you go over? Then it will continue, but if you hit enter, it won't read it as a comment. So yeah, same thing. This can be run in the console. You won't see it. It's strictly for you and any other developers who will run into your code. And again, the last file would be a CSS, at least for today, and the comment is on line 1. This one is a forward slash and an asterisk, and then your comment goes in between, and then an asterisk and a forward slash. So that's it. So the last advice that I wanted to give, and this works through most text editors, and let's say you want to write a comment right here, right? And you can tell that's not technically a comment right now, but if I highlight line 13 and I click, I'm using a Mac. I don't know about Windows, but there's a trick for this too. On my Mac computer, I hit command forward slash or command question mark, and it makes a comment automatically. It also helps me uncomment. So let's say on line 5, I want to take that away. I can also use command question mark. That's it. Let me know if that was too easy, because you probably could have Googled it way quicker than watching this video, but I'm glad you stuck around and watched this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye.